Hi, today I'm presenting my research on how many Americans smoke cigarettes. I was curious about how popular cigarettes are nowadays, since I feel you don't see them as much, which is a good thing. So I surveyed 50 random people asking the question, do you smoke cigarettes? My alpha is 0.05 because it is standard, and I asked about 50 people randomly at the convention center where we're hosting various groups from all over the country. They were including the American Epilepsy Society, the Moose Lodge, and a property management group. So this included people of different backgrounds, a huge age range, and people from all over the country. And it also included airline people that we were hosting. So in my findings, only 9 people out of 50 smoke cigarettes. Here in my pie chart, the green is representing the 9 smokers, and then red for the 41 non-smokers. So here my HO, based on the CDC's statistic, for the 11.5% of Americans who smoke cigarettes. And then my alternate hypothesis is that P is greater than 0.115, so for the proportion of people who smoke cigarettes being greater than 11.5%. So here we see that my conditions are random and independent. I have a large sample. However, the big population was not met, but I couldn't quite figure that out. So we're rolling with that. And here my calculations worked out. So P equals 0.115, P hat 0.18 for the 9 out of 50, and N for the population being, for the sample being 50. Then we got my Z equals 1.44 and my p-value as 0.075. Could not figure that out. We're rolling. So since the p-value of 0.075 is not less than the alpha of 0.05, the conclusion is do not reject HO. So I do not reject HO for that reason. And I can conclude that the people who do smoke cigarettes is not greater than 11.5%. So here I have this worked out for my confidence interval, and I am 95% confident that the proportion of people who smoke cigarettes is between 9% and 27%, which shows. So I was definitely surprised by my findings in this project, but very relieved that it is such a small percentage today. We could also consider that in some areas they do smoke more. And regardless, it was very interesting to be able to survey so many people and conclude this information. So thank you.